Are you looking for spacious 2, 3 and 4 BHK homes in Vasai with good connectivity where you have McDonald's, KFC, Zudio, all luxury and necessary things around you? So yes, I have got you to the right spot. Welcome to Platinum Aura by Platinum Realtech. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office, guys. Now I'll be taking you outside and I'll show you the connectivity, the neighborhood and everything of this place. But before that, let me tell you the points that we're going to be discussing in this video of project overview. So in this project overview, we're going to be talking about project overview firstly, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. So let's go. So as you can see, I'm standing on the main gate of the tower. You can also have a look at the neighborhood. Just check around. This project is located in Agarwal Township, which is one of the most famous townships in Vasai. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here, where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, guys, so this project is made on a land parcel of 1 acre. As you can see right here is the actual land parcel. The construction is still ongoing. This project has single tower with ground plus 21 story with configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK. Talking about the connectivity of this project, so as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. This project is located in Agarwal Township, Vasai West, with Western Express Highway at a distance of 15 minutes, Vasai Station at a distance of just 12 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Now talking about the exciting part, that is amenities. So this project has 15 plus amenities which includes gym, kids play area, cricket turf, football ground and many more. Are you planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights to Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers do not know what their actual rights are before buying a home. Let's say कि आपने कोई टोकन अमाउंट देके बिल्डर से कोई फ्लैट बुक कर लिया है, बट अब आप कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं, तो लीगली बिल्डर कितने पैसे डिडक्ट कर सकता है ये आपका जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगेन पोजेशन के बाद अगर लीकेज या कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड कोई भी इशू आता है तो व्हाट लाइबिलिटी डज द बिल्डर होल्ड. वी हैव अंडरस्टूड एंड एक्सप्लेन्ड एवरीथिंग इन वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड सिंपल लैंग्वेज इन दिस सीरीज. सो मेक श्योर बिफोर बाइंग अ होम नेक्स्ट टाइम यू गो थ्रू दिस सीरीज. ये सीरीज का लिंक आपको ऊपर आई बटन एंड नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. Now talking about carpet area, so this project has 3 configuration as I mentioned, 2, 3 and 4 with 2 BHK ranging from 825 square feet to 860 square feet, 3 BHK ranging from 1071 square feet to 1139 square feet and 4 BHK having 1499 square feet. Talking about booking process, their booking process is now open, guys. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where a sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for all the configurations in this project is going to be 51,000 rupees. So everyone, this was the project overview of Platinum Aura located in Vasai West in Agarwal Township. To get more information about this very amazing project, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.